All right, I know we've been focusing more on gardening than our little DIY projects, but here's one we got going on today that Sarah's taking the lead on for Mommy. She's scraping it with a wire brush on all that old, yucky, rusty stuff. She's still got down here to do, but as you can see, she's done a great job on the top so far. You can really tell a difference. We're going to spray it later. We'll get back to that. Say hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
All right, we'll come back to this and see where Sarah's at in a little while. And I'll bring you around front and show you how well our Easter tree is doing that Uncle Smitty in heaven sent us before he passed away. And I'll show you some more DIY and gardening things that I've done while I've been away, not posting. We've been extremely busy, so always working, just not getting it all out there on the channel like I thought we would. So until later, we'll see you guys next time.